Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. If you're new to the channel, I'm Rebecca. Today we're going to head to the kitchen and do some baking. We're going to make some strawberry muffins. These muffins are packed with strawberry goodness. They're light and sweet and have juicy strawberries in them. They're a wonderful addition to breakfast or as a nice sweet treat with some tea or coffee. So let's head to the kitchen and do some baking while we make some strawberry muffins. So let's get our strawberry muffin batter put together. In this bowl I have 2 cups of flour. That's just an all-purpose flour. To that I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm just going to mix these dry ingredients together. And now we can add our wet ingredients. First we'll add 2 eggs. And a 1/2 cup of a neutral oil, so vegetable oil, canola oil, or avocado oil work real nice. Then we'll add a 1/2 cup of yogurt. I have some strawberry rhubarb yogurt that's really quite tasty. I thought that would add a nice twist to it, and the package is a 1/2 cup. But you can use whatever flavored yogurt you'd like to try. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we'll mix these wet ingredients in with our dry ingredients. And finally, we'll add 2 cups of chopped strawberries. You can use fresh strawberries like I'm using today. You could use frozen strawberries and just defrost them in your refrigerator overnight and then chop them. Or you could do freeze-dried strawberries and rehydrate them and then chop them as you need to. Now we'll just fold those strawberries in to our mixture here. Go. Well, I'm going to use my silicone muffin pan here and just place that on top of a cookie sheet. That'll just give it some stability for loading and removing from the oven. I'm just going to scoop some of our strawberry muffin batter right into these reservoirs of our muffin pan. 1 scoop should do the trick of a medium scooper. And this recipe makes about 18 muffins. So I have the oven preheated to 400 degrees. So what we're going to do is bake these muffins for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out nice and clean. So let's get these into the oven to bake. The strawberry muffins have finished baking. Took about 20 minutes to get to this point. A toothpick came out clean. A couple of them are a little more done than I'd like, but they'll still be delicious. So I'm going to allow these to cool a little bit on the cooling rack here, and then we'll take them out of the baking pan, have a closer look and a taste. All right, here we have our freshly baked strawberry muffins. These are really moist and delicious with just pops of strawberry flavor. They have a nice crispy top, and they serve wonderfully with coffee or a cup of tea. I have a cup of herbal tea here that I'm going to enjoy with these muffins later, and I'm looking forward to that. So now I'll show you these muffins a little bit closer up. Nice, soft and moist crumb, and all these nice big pops of bursting strawberry flavor. So moist and sweet with that wonderful berry flavor. These really are a tasty muffin. So if you have some strawberries you need to use up, or maybe some in the freezer, or even if you freeze-dried some strawberries and are looking for a nice recipe to use them in, I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like more inspiration or ideas on other muffin recipes, I have both sweet and savory muffins, as well as other baked goods in my In the Oven playlist, as well as throughout my recipes and in the kitchen playlist. If you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. So be sure to hit that subscribe button below if you haven't done so yet, and continue to watch my channel, The Home and Homestead, for some more homemade, homegrown, and home style inspiration. If you enjoy this or any other video that you watch, please be sure to give it a thumbs up as well. Well, I hope you're having a fantastic day. See you next time. Take care.